Restart. Dale Earnhardt goes to the corner, clearly the leader. Bill Elliott tucks in behind him. Bodine is back out on the racetrack, but back in the pack, toward the rear of the pack. Your leader now is Dale Earnhardt, but it's Bill Elliott in that T-Bird that's been running faster than anybody all day, and he closes right in behind. Look how close he is to Earnhardt coming down off turn number 4. 8 laps we are running in now, working number 8 as Earnhardt. Elliott trying to slide underneath him, and Dale won't buy it.
And if you notice right there, Keith, there was a little bit of paint change hands right there too.
Elliott now getting a challenge from Tim Richmond, but he closes again right in behind Earnhardt, coming down off turn 4. And Earnhardt loses it, goes on the grass, comes back, and Elliott goes inside. And Earnhardt still got the lead. Incredible piece of driving by Earnhardt. 7 laps to go. Earnhardt went on the grass down the home straight and was still able to hold on to his lead. And now Elliott gives up low and goes high. And he's loose in the turn and has to drop back. He got the wiggling around. Elliott almost went to the wall. And right now it's Terry Labonte with that big engine bidding for the lead alongside Earnhardt. Earnhardt trying to hold him off. Elliott is back in the number 4 position. Richmond's running third. Earnhardt trying to hold off the challenge of Labonte.